Welcome back, guys. Load of sheeps there, look. Meow. Meow. Big sheep there, big woolly sheep. Oh, diggers up this end. I'm just at the farm. I'm just going to come down and I'm going to put a bit of fondant on these ones, and then just bought me drill and stuff because I need to make a bench, a workbench in the bee shed. Track muddy already, look. So we've had a bit of rain and slop and shit again. Let's get up on that. Yeah, we'll put some food on the bees and then knock up a little bench. I took a little bit of honey yesterday off of the Lions hive. So we harvested a little bit of their honey. Oh, it's rough. Oh, sinky, sinky. Trust the little panda, don't we? Bit of mud bogging. Yeah, I took a bit of honey off the Lions hive. Oh, this is deep bit. Look at that, straight through it. Off the Lions hive. And started crushing that out, and then the press broke, so I've got to fix that. And I got stung on the face, so I've got bee tox at the minute on my lip. Oh look, it cut the hedge around the bees. Not Botox, bee tox. Do you want to see my lip? Here we go. Adrian. Big duck. But oh yeah, it's not bad. Bloody hell, look. Give it a good old, because they're going to fence it, you see. So that, yeah, look, all the bees are active though. They've not moved them far, so it's not really going to affect them. I wonder if they got attacked while they were like doing it. But look at them, they're active as anything. Like mine at home, but they're probably trying to rob each other. Probably all trying to rob. Yeah, them two are active. See the other side. These ones are going down the bottom anyway, and two of them are going across to the brewery, so yeah, they're all active. This first one, yeah, so they're all alright, they just all need moving. Would have been confusing for them. They work it out, they're not silly. They're all busy today, so we'll go down the bottom first. We'll go through this gateway. We'll go down the bottom in the Panda off-roading, and all this sloppy boppy loppy. No problem. So I need to get some bits for the Panda. I need to get some bits for the caddy. The caddy is got a wheel bearing gone, I reckon. It's making a hell of a noise, like when driving along. It's very annoying. So I need to get some bits for the Panda, because the Panda's going to have MOT soon. It'll be coming up to that. I am half tempted just to leave it up here as a B-mobile and not bother with MOT and stuff, but then obviously that means I can't drive it on the road. But I could drive the caddy up to the Fiat and then use this, but I don't know. Or MOT it and sell it. Oh shit, there's a fence there. Don't take a fence, but there's a fence. Which let's cut across. Let's go up the road. Oh. Is there still a fence? No, there's no fence now. We're through. We've just gone a sloppy route, that's all. My days, crunchy. Oh, there's a fence there. Oh, you shitter. That's sloppy. Oh, come on, little panda, through you go. Yeah, come on. Up. Yeah, we're through there, look, you see. No problem. Panda power. Yeah, so it's all going to be fenced in, and they're going to fence down along by the bees. And Mr. Ed, the farmer man, who's the man who can, said he's going to put a little gate in for us, because obviously we're going to expand this apiary, get all the bees down here so they're in one spot, and then it's jolly. Yeah, fencing. Be good to come along the edge of this hedgerow with a bloody detector, although you find a lot of junk, but you'll find something good and shiny too. We know, shiny. Yeah, I wonder if you've done the other side. Probably not as much. Oh, big hair, see that? Hair today, gone tomorrow, through the hedge. Yeah, so he's going to put a little gateway there where the little gap in the edge is, which will be ideal. It just means you've got to come into this field, and if there's cattle in here, they might come and lick you. We've got something growing up there. Yeah, so I'm going to fondant these up and then go back up to the bee unit. So I've got fondant on them. I've just spotted this plane, look. I reckon it's the Lancaster bomber. Certainly sounds like the Lancaster. Oh, I don't know where it's gone now. There it is. It'll come back. It'll come out there. Yeah, it definitely sounds like it. See if I can zoom in on it. My camera's a bit shocking. Don't know if you can hear it. Yeah, it is, look. Sounds like thunder. Bit of off-roading again. It's slot, look, and I'll just drive straight into the slot. Oh, Panda, just get through it. Get on there, Panda. Struggle. Come on. Drive through the muddiest bit. Oh, look, that's deep there. Oh. No problem. No problem for the Panda. No problem for the old dirty Panda. I've actually got a new bumper for this that's in the same colour as the car.